What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Lumiwanag na yung camera ni Graham. Anyway, this is the Hinebra versus Ross Game 6 clincher. Congratulations to Barangay Hinebra for making it to the finals. But before that, please join our Facebook group, Six Man Podcast /Benchmob, for all your favorite basketball discussions. Uh, what a game, guys. Si Graham, galing from Tagaytay, drove all the way to Inares, commuted 2 kilometers worth sa Antipolo just to park his car first in a gasoline station, then head to Inares. And buti na lang for Graham and for all the kabarangay dyan, worth it yung pagpanood nyo sa Inares Center.
Yeah. Uh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say else about that.
It was.
It is
Si
currently
Mario, si Mario may
11:40.
pinakita screenshot kanina, hindi niya gagamitin. He won't use it.
Bro, I swear to God, people are talking too much, man. I swear.
Mario keeps receipts pala.
Yeah,
Nag-ano ka pala
dude.
na resibo ah. Ikaw pala yung
Yeah.
tipong,
No,
okay.
because like people come at us when we're wrong, so I'm gonna do the same, man.
Pagtama tayo.
I'm gonna do the same man thing. But it like, man, again, this was it was the same story as Game 5, right? Hinebra takes a lead into halftime up by double digits, 15 to
15.
15, 12. Rain or shine comes back in the third quarter, and then all of a sudden, at the end of the second quarter, at the end of the third quarter, it's the same thing again. It's the same story. Um, it was the same story basically in Game 5 and Game 6 for Hinebra. And basically the same story of what happened. Justin Brownlee was Justin Brownlee, RJ Barrientos, RJ Barrientos. And again, I'll talk about this further later. But I really love recently what Ralph Koo and Jeremiah Gray have been
Tumitira na si
doing.
Ralph. Ang
Bro,
aggressive
Ralph
ni
and
Ralph ko.
Maya have been
Lumalaban din si
having...
Ralph.
Bro,
Grabe
palaban
no?
na siya ngayon, no? Dati
Lumalaban
ano
siya
yun
kay
eh.
Clarito.
Oo,
Yung pag, lahat.
dati
Tapang.
pag ginanon mo yun, wala siyang pake
Wala. He's
ngayon,
just gonna be
bro.
okay, whatever.
Yeah,
That's
it's like,
not my
alright.
style. Di ako ganyang
Yeah.
basketball player. Pero to,
Ayun na ngayon, brother, putik. Pag pinalagan mo si Ralph, laban siya bigla. Ano, like, alright, it's cool. I
Baka
like
na
it.
ano bro,
maganda makita.
baka na-influensya ni Jolina. Kasi every time Jolina scores,
Malaban ba siya? Swag
Jolina
ba siya
Malaban
si
ba si
delivers.
Jolina?
Jolina?
Swag siya man. Like, let's go! Parang gano'n.
Swag pala si
If
Jolina.
you,
Maybe,
so parang
man.
na-influensyahan siya ni Jolina in that regard, which is really, really nice. But go ahead with your point. I have mine in a few minutes.
You have like 15 in a few minutes. That's why.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Man, I believe Ralph Koo and Jeremiah Gray in moments when you need stability or to that extent, they've been great at providing stability this series. Which is funny when you talk about Jeremiah Gray. That's not really something that we know Jeremiah Gray for, diba? We know Maya as, shot chucker. He'll take his shots when he needs to. He'll defend once in a while. You know what I mean? Hindi siya stabilizing presence. Pero for some reason against Ross, naging stabilizing presence siya. And it helps that Isaac Go is healthy and
9 points for
active and
Isaac Go.
moving.
Yeah. Pati siya
Yeah,
natuwa eh.
yeah, brother.
Post-game interview.
He had what was it called? He had one of the dagger threes, I think, in the corner. I think it was
Reminiscent ng Ateneo days, no? Basta pag dagger, papasok mga tira
basta
niya eh.
pag Isaac Go. Tapos, alam mo yung literal na ang sakit naman nun. Isaac Go yun, man.
Bro, tsaka inalog niya yung ulo ni Nokum.
Actually.
Una.
Pero di naman sadya yun.
Yeah, I know.
Di naman
It's just
sadya
one
yun.
thing about
Grabe ka.
Isaac, brother. He
He's
is
not
not
dirty.
a dirty guy.
Yeah.
That's one thing about Isaac. He is
I
not
know.
a dirty guy. But yeah, I'll let Graham talk for most about Ginebra because he was really there for the whole thing. And
Kamusta?
that's the
Kamusta yung
deal.
arena, Graham? Yeah. Since you were there
It was
in
my
Aris.
Did
first
anybody go
time.
up to you, by the way?
No.
Oh wow, the hate
No.
yes.
No, I mean, I don't know, bro. First time ko manood ng PBA sa Inares. I've been there for PBL
Talaga?
games. Script.
No
Yeah.
way.
Yeah, bro. Hindi ako dumadayo ng Inares, man. For just for that. Same is lang ngayon kaya ako nagpunta dun. But
Actually,
it's a
kung
regular
regular
game.
season,
No.
ka-question ka
But
namin kung nag-aaway ba
nag-cover
kayo.
na ako dun ng PVL
PBL.
Creamline. It was the same. Actually, no, iba pa rin talaga yung Hineb. Am I allowed to say that? Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. I'm
pwede
a
naman.
Hinebra
It's
fan. I don't
just-
care. No, iba rin kasi
Creamline
yung
fans
fans ng
aren't watching
Creamline eh.
this
Iba rin yung
episode.
fans ng Creamline. But all I'm saying is, tainang lala talaga ng crowd kanina, bro. Guro mga mga 10,000 doon, Ginebra lang. Kasi nag-uwian talaga sila after na second game. The atmosphere was
After the first
nice.
game.
Yeah. I didn't feel na at any point na na-threaten ako. Even when the lead was down to 2 or 4, I didn't feel threatened na
I think you should have felt threatened at that point, but okay.
no, I didn't. Para kasing until I saw na Maratali Hinebra, siguro dun ko siya may-feel. But I did not really the whole game. It's really crazy. Game 5. By the way, welcome back to our resident Hinebra hater, Nico Rocha, who only appears when
Oh
Hinebra
wow.
loses. Rare
Oh
sighting.
wow.
Rare sighting.
Wow.
We
Wait,
talked
didn't you
about
guys
this,
win? You guys won last time, and I was there for.
Resident Ginebra hater
Yeah.
is insane, by the way, dude.
And, bro, di ba pinag-usapan natin last time, Justin Brownlee, 32 points, 12 of 21 shooting. RJ Barretos, 31 points, 12 of 21 shooting. That was game 4. Sorry, that was game 5. Game 6, Justin Brownlee, 31 points, 10 of 20 shooting. RJ Barrientos, again, one less point, 30 points, 10 of 20 shooting. Like, these guys are their pick and roll is the deadliest in the PBA right now. I don't think there's a deadlier pick and roll than RJ and JB. Sobrang daming options na pwedeng gawin when they go to the at ball screen, and kanina talaga lito talaga yung Ross kasi RJ can slash, Brownlee can pop, Brownlee can roll, and then it will lead to an extra pass. So talagang sobrang fluid ng opensa ng Hinebra. This is the first time I think in the series na lahat silang tatlo pumutok. JB, RJ, and Scotty.
Scotty, yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi,
And
I'm not
it's
sure.
so hard to beat Hinebra pag ganun. It's like the old days. Pag pumutok sa LA, si
And the bench
Scotty
showed
and
up.
si
Yung
JB.
the bench showed up.
Yeah,
Everyone.
but yung 3 guys, man, bihira na kasi yan, Nico, yung
Silang
si
tatlo.
Scotty, RJ, and RJ/LA and JB. 'Di ba? Kasi dati talaga yun nga. So yung punto ko, pag si LA
Alam mo,
sumabay kay Scotty and JB, you have to say goodbye.
dapat
I don't
JB,
care if
RJ,
you
and
have
Stephen Holt yan. Dapat yun, dapat ideally. Di ba?
Yeah, well,
Ideally, dapat.
We'll give him a pass, bro.
yeah,
They
Hanggang
we'll
ngayon,
give him
sige,
a
give him
pass.
a pass. 6 points and 1 assist.
Hey, you weren't here last game. Last game, we gave him.
Bro,
we were
we're
last game.
celebrating him missing 7 shots. He took
Yeah.
10. We're happy he took 10.
Bro, you take 10 shots, man. We're happy.
Mm-hmm. So,
Our standards are pretty low at this point. Our bar is
yeah.
Wala, binaba nyo
that's
na.
right.
Binaba nyo na yung bar pa.
Wala naman,
Must be really high, but
nakasadsad na talaga yan man kay Steven Holt. So we don't care anymore. As long as he does not hurt us. In this game, he kind of hurt us. Pero limited na
-7
rin yung
nga
naging
pala.
minutes niya eh. -7, di ba? Yeah, I almost did not feel him in the second half kasi nga, ang ganda na laro ni Ralph Ko tsaka ni Maya Gray eh. Pero I was so impressed with RJ. Sobrang grabe talaga yung maturity niya. I do believe na malaking factor yung yung pag-add ni Coach Johnny Barrientos
Johnny,
talaga sa lineup. Talagang natutukan niya si RJ, and he's probably training him since he was 3-4 years old. So it's just a continuation of the Barrientos legacy. Is he the better Barrientos? I don't know.
Well, he hasn't proven
I know.
anything. He hasn't proven
I
anything.
know.
I mean,
Magaling
hasn't
siya. Like,
proven
he's great.
anything,
But he hasn't
ano.
proven anything. Iba yung resume ni Johnny A. Wala
Yeah,
pa tayo dun. Wala pa tayo dun.
I know. Don't attack me.
We're not attacking you. We're just
I'll
saying
do what
that.
I want.
90s people, they'll attack me for sure. But yeah, so,
Ako lang 90s, bro. Si Mario's not 90. Hindi ka 90s.
I was
Mario.
90s. But brother,
Born in the 90s.
Yeah, born in the 90s. The elimination of Ross secured the best import and best player of the conference awards to
I thought that was done. I thought that's been done since NLEX was eliminated, man.
No, I mean yung best import kasi
Between
Siso
Jalen
yan eh. Between Jalen and JB. So right now it's with them. Pero again, Troy did not contribute. It's weird, no? Na, okay, Troy did not contribute. Expect natin siguro si Japit will contribute. No, Japit also did not contribute much. It was Isaac who picked up the slack. Our Magic Punot, Mario Nards Pinto. Almost nothing din, di ba?
Really didn't
Yeah, he
matter.
scored 2 points pero we did not feel him. He only played 6 minutes. But again, malalim yung bench ng Ginebra. It's very underrated. The guys are underutilized. Wala pa si Jamie Malone.
Not bad yung 19 minutes ni Japet kanina. He was just playing his role a while ago.
Bro, all he has to do is be big.
Yeah,
All he
yun
has
nga
to
lang
do.
yun. He was just playing his role. Di ba?
All they have to do
Yeah.
is leave. It's kind of surprising to me that it's just a. I'm not sure. Let me just double check. But I'm very certain if I'm remembering this correctly, they really play this lineup talaga na there's no real center except it's really Troy.
There's no
The
real
last two
center si
games,
Troy
for
na.
the last two games, yung adjustment I think ng Ginebra has been okay. We're gonna bring Japs off the bench. Kasi nung game 4, it was still Japet who was starting. In game
Tinambakan sila eh.
Yeah, in game
Tinambakan.
3, it was still Japet starting. And then I think yung adjustment nila since game 5 and 6 has been okay, we'll start Troy um and let's see what happens. And it worked. And it
Mario,
absolutely worked. What's up?
I just wanna, to anyone or to everyone who listens to the pod, yung advice ng six-man pod, hindi yun applicable every game. Ah. We still make
Yeah.
adjustments. Kasi yung,
Yes.
okay, in-advise namin kayo, play Japet more. Okay, play him more. You give him the starting role. If he's not playing well, pwede nyo siyang ibalik sa bench.
You guys
Hindi
gotta
siya ibalik
you
sa
guys got
bench.
you have to time it, you know what I mean? You can't just use it all the time.
Yeah. So, ano lang yun. Uh, yeah, but make some adjustments din naman.
Alam mo yung pag ano,
Because,
what's it called, pag nasunugan ka, tapos yung ointment nakalagay dun, apply on the burnt area. Diyan lang, pre. Huwag mo ilagay sa buong
yeah.
katawan mo.
Yeah.
Sa burnt area lang. Sunog ka,
Right.
man.
Exactly. So, yeah, I mean, the advice worked in game 2. It ran its course, and luckily for Hinebra, binalik siya off the bench, which seemed to work well.
Yep. I think it
Because he still look like may iniinda pa siya, di ba? Hindi pa ito yung 100% Japet eh. So, in the finals, we'll need him more against Kelly, against BGR. Chris McCullough is a big guy,
My
like
goodness,
kind of a big
what a
guy.
front court, no? What a front court.
Yeah, what a front
Anyway,
court battle. What a battle in the finals. So
guys,
we'll
may
get to that
finals
tomorrow.
preview
We'll do the
kami. We'll have a
Yeah, we will
finals
have.
preview, guys. Abangan nyo na lang.
One more thing for me before we move on to Ross. Yung Hinebra, I think what matters here is lagi silang may sagot at those times na kaya ng Ross humabol,
They were making
malapit
runs in the third quarter, di ba? There was a 17-2 run ba or
yeah.
something?
Yeah, and Mamuyak played a great game, but I'll talk about him later.
Yeah,
Pero
G.
may play
Game
specifically
6,
dun sa
Mamuyak.
may game specifically dun sa fourth quarter. Down to 2 na lang yung lamang nila. And I think this one was the kind of
Yung
turning
kay
point.
RJ.
Yung na-steal, nanakawan si Nokum ni RJ, and then nakalayup si Scotty.
Scotty.
Dude, from there, it kind of settled down again yung Hinebra. Kasi ano na yun eh. May breathing room ka na ulit. And,
Yeah.
guy, Graham wasn't wrong. This was the Anton Asistio game. So,
I'm preserving that. I'm preserving
okay,
that.
I'll leave it to you.
Thank you,
Anton.
Inunahan mo
Thank
pa
you,
eh.
Anton.
I'll give you Anton. But then yeah, Hinebra had that answer when they needed an answer every time. Parang, there were a lot of plays na may ganun. Like, what's it called? I remember Kaylan Tiongson hit a three in the second quarter. And right after, Maya hit one also. Parang laging they have the good timing plays. Yung saktong, okay, we need a basket to halt momentum or to chill everything down. Or we need a big defensive stop to chill everything out. And that's exactly, and they got it a lot in this game. Kaya that happened also in game number 5 when Nokum was going off. They had the baskets whenever they needed, and it happened again today in game number 6.
Yeah, totoo yun, man. Sobrang laking turning point nung basket na yun ni Scotty. I mean, I don't care what the commentators say na it's just a one possession game. Nobody thinks it's a one possession game. A 4-point game in everyone's mind is a 2-possession game. All right, so, I mean, I don't think it's a one possession unless you need to take the 4. It's
I'm
a
not
one
gonna lie,
possession
dude.
game.
Jalen Johnson makes it a one-possession game.
That it actually is a one possession game for the PBA is actually kind of fun for me. Like,
But you hate it when I say Inebra loses by 12. Oh, they all lost by 3-4 points.
Yeah, I hate it because it's dumb. But I also believe that it is. I didn't say you were wrong. I just said you were dumb.
Pero bro, after kasi nun, I don't know if that was a mandatory timeout or that was a timeout that they have to burn at that point. Pero tumimeout yung Ross, wala silang momentum pagbalik. Nawalan talaga sila ng momentum. Humiwalay talaga yung Hinebra. A couple of basket, Brownlee 3, RJ layup, Scotty 3, diba?
So yun yung naging 11 na.
Oo, yun na yung talagang naging 11, and at that point, sobrang hirap backs against the wall, 2 minutes to go down 11. You're not coming back from that against Ginebra. So again, as we move to Ross, if wala na kayong point, it was a good conference for them. But just like
Ganun,
the
lumaban
past
talaga.
few
Lumaban talaga.
conferences, kulang pa rin talaga. There's something na kulang.
Point guard. It's a point guard.
It's not just Felix Nemeti Pangilinan. Okay? If he played in
I
this
feel like
series,
Felix could have pushed it to 7.
yeah, but
Yeah.
they still would not have beaten Ginebra.
Well, yeah. Well, he's young. Bata pa naman
But,
karamihan dito eh.
I wanna add,
Except Kalen Chong is not that young anymore.
He's
whoever
the
the shooting
youngest.
coach is ng Ross is a very good shooting coach. Because Kalen didn't enter the league na ganito
Oo nga, no?
kagaling siya
Yung
shooting.
dead shot siya, bro, no? Para siya
Ha?
si Champeni.
Yeah, ngayon
Dead
medyo
shot. Naging Spurs,
medyo tumira eh.
Oo nga, para siya si Julian Champeni, man. No joke.
But he always been a
bro,
stretch big entering the PBA. Stretch
No,
big talaga.
I mean, he had range, but he wasn't like a
Yung ganito ka-confident, I'll let it
yung
fly. 10
ganitong
3-pointers.
ka-reliable na titira siya ng titira. Wala siyang ganyan dati, man. I don't know who Ross's shooting coach is, but hey, man, you
Hey,
oh my God.
Buti na ba reads our chat,
Oh
no?
my
Kenneth Chong.
God.
$50
Chongson
per person. Mario, di ba sa Patreon?
stretch.
$50 per person.
Bro, sa stretch
Oh.
big, ang lala talaga ni Kalen Chow.
Yeah. Yeah, going back to
Grabe yung hirit
Alam mo,
na yun, ah.
dude, I remember there was this comment before. People said that they watch Ross players, Ross coaches, watch the video and all that. I wish they had listened when we said that Mike Malonzo is the
Oo nga, no?
is-
Wala siya kanina. No?
Bro, di ko ramdam
Wala
si
si
Mike
Malonzo.
kanina.
Wala man,
Di
8
ko ramdam
minutes.
And if I don't feel Mike Malonzo, I'm
Minus
feeling
9 siya
good.
kanina eh. So ginawa ng mga Ross coaches. Yun nila,
Diyan
kinumpute
ka na.
nila. Hindi na pwede. Manatalo
Hindi na
tayo
pwede.
ba yun? May
Hindi na
Bro,
20.
isa pa yan, ha? Kakasabi lang natin kanina. The adjustment, you make adjustments to our advice. Joshua David, it run its course.
It ran its course.
Yeah.
It ran its course.
Tapos na yun.
Change it.
Nagulat na kami dyan. Hindi na kami nagugulat.
It ran its course, man. You played David in game 4 and Scotty and RJ had how many points? Lost it. It's somewhere.
13.
RJ had this worst.
Hey,
RJ
sorry.
had 8.
Yeah.
RJ
Had
had
30.
8 in game 4.
Oh,
I mean, talk about
RJ
now.
had 8 in game 4. What do
Yeah,
you
RJ
mean?
had 8. Conference
Yeah.
low.
Yun,
Game
David yun. And then
Yeah.
game 5 and game 6. Alam na ni RJ sino bumabantay
Alam
sa
niya na.
kanya, diba?
Na ano niya na. Naka-adjust na from film. Kumpara sa film.
Oh,
Man, inaatake niya na nga. Hindi niya na iniiwasan. Inaatake niya
Actually,
na, di ba?
atake
Pag
niya.
ganun,
Kaya na
ano
kita.
Ilagay nyo na in next option. Clarito. Dyan ka na. No, dyan ka na, man. Okay na yan. I'm not gonna take a dump on the video. I'm a fan.
You're just saying,
pero,
just nakagawa na adjustments. Adjustments just happened.
yung hindi talaga nag-adjust na nabigla ako. Guys, I don't ever no offense I don't know if I'm wrong, but can Christian Manaytay defend Justin Brownlee? I don't think he can.
No, I don't. What do you mean?
Dalawa lang yung tatlo lang yung pwede bumantay kay Brownlee sa Rain or Shine. It's Kalen, it's Jalen, and I'd say Clarito.
Clarito, yeah.
Yun na yung pwede nga.
Yeah, but dude, there are a lot of moments where Manaytay actually is defending JB. For the past 2 games yun,
Di ba yung matchup hunt nila yun?
Yeah.
More of,
Hindi
or
ba- oh,
deliberate na hinaano
Yeah,
niya?
was it a matchup
Maybe.
hunt from Ginebra, not a
Feel ko matchup hunt.
Yung assignment talaga ng
Oo.
Hindi niya
Hindi talaga
assignment.
assignment
Manaytay.
Hindi
yun.
yun
Kasi-
assignment.
Pero
Kakainin ni
kung
Brownlee si
assignment niya
Manaytay.
yun, that's wrong. I
Yeah.
don't and you know, the games Ross won in this series were the games where you had a random bench player pop off, diba? Manaytay was the one in game 4 if I remember it correctly.
Yeah.
Tapos nung game number 1 it was let me back.
Clarito. Lala ni Clarito.
Not a
nun, di ba?
random role player. I wouldn't count him as a Mike Malonzo had 12.
Yeah.
Mike
Yeah.
Malonzo had 12 in game 1. So, there are always those games. Pero yun nga, there's something kulang sa Ross. I really think it's a point guard yung kayang magtimon ng opensa. Evanelli could be a name that they could look at. Who else are good point guards in this league? Well, a lot of the good point guards kasi are already on. You know, man,
Bro, yung magagaling na point guard, nasa kanila eh.
Yeah.
Karakot.
honestly, you know, people are gonna make fun of me when I say this because, you know, I take a dump on him a lot. But a Wami Chongson type of player on Ross might
Sarap
do
nun.
something for
Wami
you.
Johnson type of... yung parang steady point guard lang
Steady
na may
point guard
Oh.
lang.
na may shooting.
Yung
Na
medyo,
hindi...
Kasi si Wami,
Controlled.
consistent siya. Consistent si Wami. It's just that sa SMB, he doesn't get many minutes anymore. Pero nung nasa Terraform siya, consistent naman siya. Pero
Tyler
here,
Teo, man.
Tyler's not a point guard, brother.
Combo guard si Tyler. Combo
Tyler's a
guard si
two.
Tyler.
Tyler's a two.
Sabay
Yeah.
magsasabay sila no.
Nelly talaga yung iniisip ko na pwede.
Nelly or
sa...
Wami.
Uy, Nelly and Ross, no? Bagay.
Nelly on Ross is bagay. You know who's pinaka-bagay sa Ross? Who I think would literally turn them into a championship team? I think if you put Juan Gomez de Leano on Ross, which I know won't happen, but then if you
Well,
put
in any team
Juan...
naman ata na
Uy, not
competitive.
any team, ah.
Any team na competitive na lumalaban.
Yeah. I mean, he fits exactly what they need, is what I'm talking about. Hindi, because if you put Juan on SMB, the fit
Yeah,
isn't
yun man.
amazing. 'Di ba? Pero pag Juan on Ross, sobrang sakto ng fit na yun for me. Oh dang, night everybody.
Yeah,
Uh,
night na.
so yeah, I think one point guard, one really main point guard, and siguro it kind of hurt Ross talaga na may injuries sila. No Villegas, who could have been a problem for the
Joel Embiid of the PBA. Luis Villegas.
grabe yung Joel Embiid naman. Uh,
Hindi naman
grabe
Joel
yung Joel
Embiid of the
Embiid,
PBA.
brother. Grabe naman yung Joel Embiid.
About the
I'm not gonna
Greg
do that to
Oden
you.
of the
What is called?
the worst.
What is how? No Quahao, no June Roque, no Lemeti, no Villegas. Those are pretty decent guys naman.
Those are, well,
Bro,
big ring yung Felix
si
Lemeti.
Roque. Si Roque yung feeling kong makakaambag ng solid sa Ross in this
The
About
most
no
dun sa tatlong
Jason.
minention natin. Ako,
Yeah.
Lemeti talaga. Mataas
Can
tingin
I
ko Felix.
can I interest you in no Jason David and no Jamie Malonzo?
Do we count Jamie Malonzo? He
Wala
left.
na yun. Wala na
Jamie
yun eh.
Malonzo left, bro. And I'm not making excuses for us. I'm just saying that these guys are people who fit and could kind of really help a lot talaga. But you're such a baby. You have to bring up friggin'
Well, bro, a couple of things about Rain or Shine. Number one, wala si Bella, no? Kanina. I don't think Bella made the
Hindi siya
trip
pupunta
to
na Inares,
Antipolo.
bro.
Yeah, alright. Feeling ko kahit.
Pupunta lang siya doon pag may game.
Yeah, pag may game sila. Capital One.
Tama. Pag may game lang sila doon siya
By the way,
pupunta.
pretty weird, Just 10 seconds, Eliza Solomon backing out from the draft. That was pretty weird. And
That's not
pretty-
weird. That's
Yun
depressing.
weird thing. Yun weird.
That's
I know.
depressing,
You
dude.
deep down, Graham, you know why.
I know why. Anyway, I don't want to
He
talk
has a
about it.
job there. Oy, Mario, he has a job there. That's
I
not.
should not talk about it.
Yeah.
Started it.
I know.
Actually, siya
Number
ikaw
one,
nag-start no, hindi. Galit, nice one, Mario. Yeah. You started, Graham.
Karakot. That's why I never bought into the Karakot,
No, but you always knew with Andre Karakot, it's always up, down. Roller coaster. Ganun naman. That's what we all knew.
Up,
Yeah.
down, right now.
Sure. Yeah. It for me felt like, and you guys probably were not watching the PBA yet that time. Around 2009, 2010, JC Intal was the best player for Ginebra. Okay, it sounds weird.
The
But he was the
dunker?
best player for Ginebra. Yeah, JC Intal averaged like 25 points a game
Mhm.
in the playoffs, and then got checked. That's what Karakot gives me. He at a period can lift you, pero babalik din siya to earth. Number two, the pod is never wrong. Anton Assist game was coming. Okay, the series will not end. There's no stamp. Okay, the death certificate is not stamped without an Anton Assist game. All right, for rain or shine.
Kailangan
Right,
ng
and
Anton
now-
Pati mamuyak
Yeah.
game. There's a mamuyak game.
Bro, mamuyak yun eh. Parang wala ka naman matatanda masyadong mamuyak. Pero Anton Assist man memorable. Core memory mo yan. Alam mo sa Inside Out. Core memory mo yan. Pupunta yan sa ibang drainage. Maaalala mo yan habang buhay. Pag nag-flashback na yung buhay mo, pag mamatay ka na, maalala, putang, Anton Assist yan. Nakadalawang 4 doon si Nebra. Parang gano'n.
What a core memory. That's a pinaka-core
Core memory
memory.
talaga yan, man. Ako,
And-
maalala ko, pag tulog ka mami, maisip ko, 2-4 niyan to na assist yung puwisit na yun. That's number 2, alright? Just keep on shooting, man. He was, what, 1 of 17 from 3 prior to hitting his first 4-pointer. It was crazy. Bro, syempre gusto ko manalo yung Nebra, pero kanina gusto ko rin makashoot si Anton kasi nakakahiya na eh. Parang binibuild natin, binibuild. Yung makakashoot din niya, makakashoot din niya. Finally, kanina
Six
nakashoot din
games
siya. He had 10.
6 games later at least, 'di ba? Better late than never.
Yeah, he had 10. And sobrang pure talaga ng tira ni Anton, man. It looks like he's not allowed to miss. Alam mo yun, may mga tirang ganun eh, di ba? Yung parang dapat hindi sablay to pero
Pag specialist,
sumasablay.
ganun eh. Ganun talaga, mas mahirap ng trabaho ng
Yeah, yung
specialist
ganun,
minsan.
sniper. But, number 3, I'll let you guys go to Mamuyak. Adrian Nocum, you're added to the list of Calvin Abueva, Joel Wright,
What's this? What's
Cliff
this list?
Hodge, um, Ronaldo Balkman, yung mga nangaasar kay Brownlee, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Alright? You'll end up on the wrong side of the equation. Alright? Kanina ayaw mo pa ibigay yung bola. Ay, pa-let go yung bola. Jump ball naman.
I don't think
Jump
naman
ball.
inaasar niya. Feel ko lang talaga he's just trying to
yes.
make it tough for him.
What happened there? I don't remember that.
Jump ball kasi, man.
Jump
Jump
lang
ball
yun.
na, di ba?
Nag-drive si Brownlee.
Ayaw niya talagang
grab from
bitawan
the
yung
side.
bola. Tapos,
Wala, gagawa lang sila ng
feeling
bola.
ko, bro, binigay niya na 100% lakas niya dun sa para hindi niya
Si Brownlee
para hindi
naka
makuha ni
70.
Brownlee yung bola sa kanya.
Ano yung,
Brownlee,
ano
ganun
yung,
talaga.
ito nahanap ko.
Jump ball.
Pala yun.
Jump ball lang yun.
It
He
was-
just
it
grabbed
was
the
just a
ball.
simple jump ball.
Yeah, nag-drive si Brownlee gitna, diba? Free throw
Yeah.
drive yun eh.
Bro, the only player na nakalusot kay Brownlee na naiinis siya, Chris Lalata. Alright, I'll never forget that guy. Chris Lalata.
Yeah,
Chris
The only
Lalata.
player na nakapikon kay Justin
Yeah,
Brownlee.
the only guy who was ever... Ay, hindi.
Bakit napikot si Brownlee kay Lalata?
Oo,
Inampas-
man. Phoenix
inampas
pa
si
sila lata
Lalata.
nun.
Inampalas.
Dude, you know why I know this so well? Kasi when Chris Lalata plays sa MPBL, I know his name for that exact reason. Na
Because of
napikon niya
what
si
he-
Justin Brownlee.
May mga ganun tao maaalala mo para si Chris Lalata unang nakapikon kay Justin Brownlee. Jamie Ramito unang sumide step sa dunk
Yung
contest. Yung mga ganun. May mga ganun tao. Maaalala talaga.
Yun yung mga naaalala ko. Yun yung
Bro,
mga moment
Nico,
na
you have
naalala
to
ko.
watch that. Hindi mo talaga makitang pikon si Brownlee doon lang kay Chris
First
Lalata.
time
Sakit siguro
ever.
ang pass niya.
Bro, first time
Lalata.
ever na... And you know, JB's been playing here. I don't know, you know how I
Gagi,
know that
Top
it's
ng
one
ano,
of... it's-
search ko sa YouTube, Chris Lalata versus Brownlee.
Oh, yun yung lalabas.
Yeah.
Pag sinerge mo yung Chris Lalata, yung lalabas
Oh,
Chris Lalata
Lalata.
versus Brownlee. Dude, that's the only time Justin Brownlee has ever gotten mad. And you know, I think
Woo.
it's one of the strats talaga of defending Justin Brownlee. Inisin mo siya. That's how it always is. It was the same for kay Manny Ladi for Ateneo na inisin mo siya, let's see what happens. It's the same for a lot of guys,
It
honestly.
doesn't
Iba yung
work,
init
man.
ng ulo niya kay Lalata. Parang napahalo lang
you.
naman siya sa arm ah. Pero iba yung
Honestly,
inisin.
dude, I remember this
Parang
game.
napahalo lang naman
Di ko
siya.
naiintindihan bakit siya sobrang galit.
Oo nga, bakit?
Tambak kasi sila dyan, bro. Tambak sila dyan.
At
I
tambak ang
remember that
Hinebra
game.
ng time.
Yeah, tambak
So
ang Hinebra
mainit
dyan.
yung ulo niya.
Talo sila dyan.
Why is he so mad na sinampal siya ni
Either
Lalata?
that man or may pigsa siya.
I remember that day. At sabi ko, ba't siya sobrang galit kay Lalata? Ano ginawa niya?
Bro,
Like, akala ko bad foul siya. Hindi naman siya bad foul. Noong time na yun. Like,
Wala na pala sa PBA to. Chris Lalata.
wala. Sa MP na siya. Sa MP na siya. I remember that.
Gumagawa ba si Chris Lalata sa MP? Or road
Nananakit din.
Nananakit.
Bro, I swear. Kasi, when you look at the foul, parang nadaplisan lang niya si Brownlee. Ganun.
Oo
Bro,
nga,
Brownlee has
He was
gotten
going for a
harder
block.
fouls.
Dude,
Putya,
like, Brownlee's
pinapalibog pa nga si
Brownlee's
Brownlee.
been smacked in the face, has been kicked in the balls, and he's vibes. But when Chris Lalata smacked him on the arm,
Iba, that's different.
sabi niya, hey.
No, you,
you,
not that. Bawal yan.
how dare you?
Pero bro, oh my God. The only, tinan mo yung tumalong import kay Brownlee, the only one sa finals, RHJ. Di mo siya inaasar nun eh. Di ba? Just play your game. Just play your game. Doesn't work kay Brownlee. It really doesn't work. I don't care how good you are. Pag inasar mo si Brownlee, you lose. That's a curse.
But again, I don't feel like Nokum was trying to asar Justin.
No, bro. He had the angst.
Wala,
You'll
inaano
feel
niya
it
lang.
Bro,
Bro, pag
maalas
na-
lang talaga si Adrian, bro.
Siguro bro dahil nasa
Hindi yun
arena
nasar,
ako and
hindi yun nasar.
I didn't have, yung influence ng commentators na siguro sinabi lang, oh, that was just Nocum. I did not hear any of that kasi nasa arena I was live. I was hearing the fans around me saying, no, PI ka Nocum, and I wasn't one of them. I don't curse at players.
Oh,
At least don't expose me. But iba
I
talaga yung
don't care
angas
that
niya, man.
players on site, but
On, on
but
site.
On the record.
online.
On the record. Pero
Alright.
man, iba talaga yung angas niya kanina. So I think there was a part of him na parang, parang lahat kasi sila target si Brownlee, man. Talagang ang lala talaga nung pananakit nila kay Brownlee kanina. And I'm probably speaking as a Brownlee Glazer. Pero
You
ang
are a
dami niya talagang
Brownlee
hits na
Glazer.
ang dami niya hits na nakuha kanina. Far harder than Cristalatas for sure. Pero hindi siya napikon.
I'm telling you,
May
I
nangyari
think,
siguro sa kanilang dalawa,
bro,
no?
galit
Na
talaga siya
iba yung
against
gawin.
Ronaldo.
May
Yeah,
ginawa siguro si Lalata sa pamilya niya or to some
kaya
way
siya
to him.
nakakabigla talaga kasi yun
Enemy
talaga.
of the pod, Cristalata.
Enemy of the pot.
Welcome to the Hall of Fame. You're the first enemy of the pod. The first.
Siya lang yung nakagawa nun eh. Wala na may
But
nakagawa nun.
anyway, so going back to Ross, right?
Mamuyak. Tao ba mamuyak?
Gian Mamuyak, man, he's really good at basketball. It's really, uh, sorry. What's it called? For Mamu and the like, it's so hard sometimes kasi what's this called? How do you say this? Yun nga yung problema talaga ng Ross, which always has been. There are days na it's Nokum, there are days where it's Mamuyak, it's Karakut, it's Santillan, it's Asistio, or it's Clarito. It can be so many people na sometimes or most of the time never sila nagsasabay-sabay. It never gets to the point na nagsasabay-sabay sila. It's always import plus Kailan plus maybe one of them. Pero at some point, kailangan mo medyo magsabay-sabay yun. And Mamuyak was the one kanina. He had 27, 25, I'm sorry.
25. 25.
25. That's not a normal number to get sa PBA.
On 9
Like,
of 14 shooting.
yeah, he was good kanina. Brownlee, Jeremiah, who else? Scotty, whoever they put in front of him, kinahaya niya, man.
Oo.
But sometimes nga, for Ross, the problem has always been these players sometimes don't know when it's their turn to be the star. I, Mamuyak can be a star. Put Mamuyak on Terra Firma. I'm telling you right
Oh,
now,
sure
GM
star. 20 plus a game.
star player. Nokum Nokum if he's the star player on Terra
Terra
or
Firma.
Northport, 20 plus a game, brother.
On the first 3 games lang. First 3 games lang yun. Kasi may limit yun eh. Terra Firma, di ba?
Yeah.
May
The
limit,
next
may
few
limit.
games, ano na lang yan. 8 points per
Yeah,
game
kaya
lang.
nga, bigla, yung best import of the conference
Mubashar
natin, yung
Ali,
Bashar Ali, nawala.
50 points and 25
Uh,
rebounds yung average, biglang nawala.
Biglang naging 15 and 10. Come on now. Mga ganun, man.
Ang galing ni Mamo kanina, bro. Wala siyang paki. Lalo pag nakita niya si RJ. Yung pag nakita niya si RJ, talagang, yari ka sa akin, boy.
Hinahanap niya
Talagang
rin, no? Hinahanap niya.
Hinahanap
Hinahanap
niya
niya.
talaga. May
Bro, that's
nakatakan
why
niya
it's
talaga.
scary for me when we go up against TNT. But
I'm not scared at all. I'm
Ah,
not scared at all.
of course,
Siyempre.
Not scared at all.
Wala si RSJ
Um,
eh.
Kasi laki mo,
Yeah,
laki mo,
I
de.
don't
Ang
care.
ganda mo, de.
I actually want RJ. RJ, if you're listening to this, I want you. All right?
What a way. You're not... Alam mo, sinasabi mo lang yun because he's not there.
No. Next conference,
Ang
siya yung import,
tapang!
di ba?
Ang tapang
He's the
talaga.
rumored import next conference. I
Gagi,
want
may
you.
babalik sa point. May babalik
Ang
sa...
tapang
want-
talaga.
I
Ang
want
tapang
you.
talaga.
I
RHJ,
want-
if you're listening to this, stay home, stay in bed. I don't
I
need you.
want you.
I don't need you to face off against
No,
us anymore, man.
I'm not
No,
afraid. Pero
brother,
bro,
I
on a
I
serious
have a
note,
friend,
Ross,
by the
ano
way.
yung...
Shout out to my former editor, Ralph. This guy's been trash talking me since the Lakers lost. He's an OKC fan, by the way. So
Yo, suck, man.
I got a little get back a while ago. Also, he's a fun fact. He's also a TNT fan. So,
Ooh.
so we've been
Bro,
at it for a while
very,
now.
very common sa Ateneo yung TNT fan, no?
Mm,
I'm not gonna give you a response to that.
Yeah, but very common sa Ateneo yung
I'll
TNT
tell
fan.
you this
But,
one.
they
Yeah.
I'll tell you
practice in
this.
Moro. So,
I'll tell you this one. It was the first time when I entered Ateneo because I came from UP, right? In UP, most people you talk to are Hinebra fans or Magnolia fans or
oh.
mga ganon. When I entered Ateneo, I was expecting the same na puro Hinebra or parang ganon.
TNT.
Brother, I think I'm the only Hinebra fan
Sa
that
Ateneo.
I know of in Ateneo. Because Nico's not. Because Nico's not. Right? I have friends who are Magnolia fans, Rain or Shine, SMB, TNT. Brother, I'm on my own with Ginebra, it feels like. Which kind of surprises me. So it
Which
puts
also surprised why keep on attacking me? I'm your brother here, but that's not my point. My
why
my
keep on it.
question about
You start half of these arguments, by the way. I
Oo nga,
mean,
and
ikaw
then
why
I
rin
would
siya
end
you,
it.
start.
dude? You keep taking these like you have these like side swipes, right? And then when we come at you, you're like, "Whoa, man! Wait,
Tapos siya nagsimula.
why-
Tapos siya nagsimula.
like it's like you slap me in the face, and when I come back and try to punch you, you're like, "Why are you trying to punch me?"
Bro, the ref always catches the second action, all right?
Yeah, the
But
ref
bro,
always
my
catches it.
question about Rain or Shine, ano yung kulang? Ano yung
Point
pwede
guard
na
talaga,
like that?
brother. Point guard.
You sure it's
We
not a
were.
big?
It's not a big, dude. It's not a big. Bro, they have bigs. And
Are those bigs in a, bro? Okay, no disrespect at all to
Parang they
Japet.
nakit to like na
okay,
big na
here's my
ganun.
question to
Okay,
you, Graham.
okay,
But
no,
here's my
no, no,
question. Sige,
no,
go,
no
go.
disrespect to Japet. If Japet is dominating you as a big, then there's something's wrong with your front line.
Here's my question to you, Graham. Where did Rain or Shine lose in this series? Was it offense or defense?
I think defense.
Oh, I think you're wrong.
Bro, it's a high
Offense?
score. Bro, it's a
High
high
scoring mga game.
scoring series.
I don't know how to explain to you na it's a high scoring series with Ross having no real point guard on the court. Gets ba? If they had a
Okay.
real point guard on the court, this is a completely different series for me. Kasi iba talagang pag may, bro, if may Brickman yung Ross, sa tingin mo, di sila mas magaling? A point
Kahit
guard like
Evan.
Jason
Kahit
Brickman
Evan, no?
or Evan
Pero
Nelly?
bro, yung isa-sacrifice mo dun, yung no-com.
Hindi! Why would you sacrifice
Magiging
both
siyang
of them?
2. He'll slide into the 2.
I don't
Scorer
think
siya. Focus
no-com
siya sa
will be your...
scoring.
No.
Brother,
You're too...
have you watched Jason Brickman feed cutters? He's the best cutting point, passing, cutting, whatever. How do you word this? He's the best passer to a cutter in the league, man. You should
I
watch
think...
Brickman
Bro,
pass
I
the
think
ball.
it's a big. Wala talaga sila nun eh.
Is it a
The-
big? I don't think
Okay,
it's a big,
the
man.
Stanley Pringle solved the problem. No.
No, but Stanley's not a point guard.
Okay.
You gotta
Because
get
I
a
think
point guard.
they need a big.
Wash na rin si Stanley.
Yeah, I know.
Do they? I
Yeah.
think yes. Obviously, a big would be helpful. I'm not saying that a big wouldn't be helpful, but they don't. It's not. I think it's really a point guard who they really really need. Many teams need bigs, brother. We're just lucky that we don't because we are an SMC.
Oo nga, no?
That's just how it works. But if I can make an argument that every team needs a big for literally every other team except for SMC.
Ginebra, SMB, TNT, Meralco. That's it.
Yeah, and Converge. Every other team, I can make an
Ah,
argument that they need a big, but it's only Ross who I believe has a point guard problem. Like
should they have gotten a big import then?
they have a big import. What do you mean?
No, a guy na who plays like a big. You know what I mean?
Jalen Johnson fits their system perfectly. It just
Okay.
so happened na
No.
he had a few bad games, and JB was doing JB things. So there's no problem with Jalen Johnson.
Alright. Then I'm
Resident
not
import
that
ako.
your take na they need a point guard. I'm just saying na parang kulang talaga yung big eh. Kasi Chapet really had a good series which I'm glad. I don't know why I say it that way, but I was glad that Chapet had a good series, diba? And outside of Clarito, nobody else played like a big.
I get where you're coming from, naman. But yeah.
But yeah, good conference for Rain or Shine. Unfortunately,
Yeah, mabot sila
we were
semis.
just on the
Umabot
wrong
ng game
side of the
6.
Bro, tinalo niyo San Miguel with Benny Boatwright in one shot. Bigat yun. It's not
Yeah.
something to...
Yeah, no, it's really great to commend the Rainer Sharm for that one.
It's just-
Bro, there
Hirapan
was
ko yung
one-
TNT Meralco just na, mga cuts talaga, yung mga pass talaga ni Brickman. Anyway, sakto. Guys, follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like and subscribe on YouTube. We're gonna have a second recording for the TNT Meralco, abangan nyo. Or if you watch this in the morning, it's already there in our homepage. See you in the next one, guys.
Yeah, there's amigos. Congrats, Deborah.